Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Finch app not working issue. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness and app designed to help you build healthy habits, track your emotion and grow your virtual pet through daily activities. But sometimes the Finch app may stop working properly, it might not open, freeze, crash or fail to sync your progress. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you all the possible ways to fix the Finch app when it's not working step by step. First, you need to restart your phone. The first and easiest fix is restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart or reboot after your phone turns back on. Open the Finch app again. This clears temporary glitches that can stop apps from working. You can also check your internet connection from your notifications bar here. Turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data off, then turn it back on. Try switching between Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Open a website or YouTube to confirm your internet is working. If the internet is unstable, Finch may freeze or fail to load. You can also force close to the Finch app. Finch is stuck or frozen. Force close can help. Once you open to your Finch app, you can simply go back, and over here you can delete it from the background as well. And you can also update your Finch app. You can simply go to the App Store and find the Finch app over here, and you can update. An outdated version can cause bugs and crashes. Open to the Google Play or the Apple Store and tap update if available. Always keep Finch updated for the better performance and the bug fixes as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.